A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing? Good? All are doing good? Yes. Okay, fine. My dear students, we have our grammar exam on Wednesday. Yes? Which day? Wednesday. So today we will be revising worksheets 8, 9, and 10. I have sent the message to you already, right? Requesting all of you to be present with your grammar workbook. Are you ready with that? Yes? Are you ready? Okay, good. So let me share the screen. And while the screen gets loaded, I request everybody to take their grammar workbook. Please take your grammar workbook. We have already completed all these worksheets, so there is no need for you to write anything now, but we will just be revising the same. Okay. The first worksheet that we begin revising with is worksheet number 8. Worksheet number 8. And the title of that worksheet is Vowels and Consonants. Vowels and Consonants. Okay. Who can tell me? Yes. Joanne, Judy, unmute. Joanne, tell me. What do you understand by vowels? Or which letters are called the vowels?
A, E, I, O, U.
Okay, very good. How many are there in number?
5.
5. Yes, exactly. Your answer is absolutely right. There are 5 letters which are called the vowels, and they are A, E, I, O, and U. 5 letters A, E, I, O, and U are called the vowels. Okay. Good effort, Joanne. Thank you. Henry, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
How many letters in all are there in the English alphabet? In all, total. You have learnt these words in maths, right?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many letters in all are there in the English alphabet?
E, A,
Listen, listen. How many letters in all? Total, how many letters are there in the entire English alphabet?
B,
Total. No. Total.
total, mm, uh,
Total. From A to Z. Total. How many are there?
B, C, D.
No, I'm not asking you which. I'm asking you how many, the number. How many letters in all are there in the English alphabet?
Mm,
See, I have underlined a number here on the screen. Did you notice?
yes, ma'am, I
What is
see.
that? I saw, not see.
I saw.
Yes. Which is that number? There are
There are
26.
which is
26.
26
Yes.
in
Letters.
letters.
In the
In
English alphabet. Alphabet.
alphabet.
Alphabet. Alphabet.
Alphabet.
Yes, very good. So, total or in all, how many letters are there?
There are
26.
26.
Yes, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Okay. There is a rhyme for all these letters. Which is that, Henry? What is that rhyme? What is that poem? A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, P, Q, R, S, T, V,
U and V, W, X.
U, N, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now
Now
I know
I
my
know
ABC.
Next
Next
time
time, won't you sing with me?
sing with me.
Okay, very good effort. Thank you, Henry. Don't forget that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Don't forget it. Okay. Now, Austin, unmute. Out of these 26 letters, as Joanne already told us, there are 5 letters which are called the vowels. How many are the remaining? Out of 26, 5 are vowels. How many will be remaining? 21. From 26, if we take 5, 21 remain. You have not learned subtraction, I know it. Okay, so don't worry. Just understand that the rest of the 21 letters are there. And what are those 21 letters called, Austin?
Co,
What are they? Yes, yes. Say.
co,
Con
consonant.
consonants. Yes, very good. 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. Okay. Out of the total 26 letters of the English alphabet, 5 are vowels and the remaining 21 are consonants. Okay. Good effort, Austin. Thank you. Okay. Meghadarsh, unmute. Tell me the vowels.
A, E, I, O, N.
A, E,
I, O, U.
I, O, and U. Yes. A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, thank you. Well done. Merin, unmute. Tell me the consonants. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, say. Say.
B,
Yes. Then.
C,
Yes.
D,
Okay.
F,
Very good. Not F. F.
F,
F.
F,
Okay. Continue. Then.
G,
Okay. Then.
H,
H.
H,
Not yet. H. Okay. Then.
J,
Very good. Then.
K,
Okay. Then.
N,
L.
N,
Uh, After L.
M,
M.
M,
N.
N,
Then.
P,
P. Very good. Then.
Q,
Okay.
R,
Okay.
S, T,
S. T.
U,
U.
V,
V. Yes. Why should I not take you? Tell me the reason, Merin.
U, say vowel.
Very good. Very good. Okay. V. Then.
W,
Okay. Then.
X, Y, Z.
Fantastic. Okay. Good job. Well done, my dear. Okay, fine. Thank you. Now, we have already done this. Do you remember? Here we have to fill in the blanks with the correct vowels. Okay. Prarthana, unmute. What is this? Unmute.
L-I-O-N, lion.
Very good. Very good. Evelyn, unmute. What is the second one? First.
C-A-K-E.
Fantastic. Okay, very good. Adelan, unmute. Which is the third one? Number 3.
Car.
Spelling.
Car.
Spelling.
C-A-R.
Very good. Thank you. Manav, unmute. Number 4. Number 4.
Bed.
Very good. Okay. Thank you. Tirtha Jolly. Number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
And
M-O?
moon.
M-O-O-N. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
And moon.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Good girl. Adam, unmute. 6. Number 6. Number 6. Unmute. Unmute again. Touch it one time. One time. Yes. Number 6.
B-O-O-K.
Very good. Very good. Nakshatra. Number 7. P-N. Nakshatra, unmute. P-N. Number 7. E-N. P-E-N. Very good. Thank you. Rishan, unmute. Try number 8. Sit properly, Rishan. Number 8.
D-O-L-L.
Very good. Thank you. Maithili, unmute. Number 9.
R-O-S-E. Rose.
Very good. Very good. Okay. The same way, this question number D also has to be done. We have already done it. So we will just skip that. Okay. Now, we have to continue with the usage of a or an. A or an. Where do we, let us see. Once again, where do we use a and where do we use an? Okay. Now, we use the word an, A-N, before nouns that begin with the letters A, E, I, O, U, also called the vowels. We use an before nouns that begin with the vowels. What do we use before nouns that begin with vowels? We use an, A-N, an. We use an before nouns that begin with the letters A, E, I, O, U. That is vowels. Okay. And we use a. We use the letter A before nouns that begin with the other letters. That is the consonants. The other letters means consonants. Is it clear? Consonants. So we use an before nouns that begin with the letters A, E, I, O, U called the vowels. And we use a before nouns which begin with the consonants. Are you able to recollect? Yes? Okay. Let us try a few examples for this. Karthik, unmute. Try the first one. Fill in the blanks with a or an. My dear students, keep in mind we use an before words that begin with vowels and we use a in front of words that begin with consonants. Keep that in mind, okay? Yes, Karthik, tell me the first one. Dash apple. The first letter is A. So what do we use in front of the word apple?
An apple.
An apple. An apple. Okay, Karthik. Well done. Thank you. Adinath, unmute. Try number 2. Dash bun.
A bun.
A bun. Very good. A bun. Okay. Junaita, unmute. Try number 3. Number 3.
Cup.
Yes.
A cup.
A cup. Fantastic. A cup. Then Anaya, unmute. Try number 4. Dash house.
A house.
Anaya, unmute. Others, please mute. Anaya, unmute. What happened, Anaya? Unmute. Yeah, say number 4. Dash house. A or an?
A. A house.
A house. Okay, very good. Ritwik, try number 5. Dash ear. E-A-R. Ear. A or an?
An ear.
An ear. Yeah, very good. An ear. Thank you. Agne,
Ma'am.
try number 6. You're welcome. Agne, number 6. Dash man.
Amen.
Hmm.
Amen.
A man. Yes. A man. Okay, thank you. Then Abhinav, unmute. Try number 7. Dash ox. A or an?
And
An ox. Fantastic. Thank you. Arti, unmute. Try number 8.
dash
Drum.
drum.
Yes.
A
What will
drum.
come? A drum. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Agnes Jojo, welcome. Agnes Jojo, unmute. Try number 9. Dash umbrella. A or an?
And
An umbrella. Fantastic. Sarah, unmute. Try number 10. Dash officer.
an officer.
Fantastic. Okay. So, my dear students, all of you have answered wonderfully well. Well done. Keep it up. Okay, the same. F is the same thing. Here, we'll just do a few examples. Here we have to write a or an depending on the next word after the blank. So when it comes to a sentence, we have to concentrate more on the word that comes just after the blank space. Got it? We have to look at the first letter of that word, the word that comes just after the blank. Do you remember that rule? Okay. Anna Catherine, try number 1. I saw dash old car. I saw dash old car. So you have to concentrate on this letter.
Anchor.
An old car. Old. An old car. Understood, Anna?
An old car.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. Adel Maria, try number 2. The king wears dash crown. A or an? The king wears dash crown. A or an? Huh. Unmute, my dear. Touch it one time. Just one time. Okay, don't touch again. Say the answer. The king wears dash crown. A crown. Yes, the king wears a crown. Okay, thank you. Riza, unmute. Try number 3. Rina ate dash ice cream. Unmute, Riza. Rina ate dash ice cream. A or an? An ice cream. Very good. Rina ate an ice cream. Okay, thank you. Yes, Malvika, try number 4. Yes. Say the answer. Dash ant is sitting on a leaf. A or an? Sorry? An, yes. So this being the first letter, first word of the sentence, we have to write the capital A. Okay, good effort. Thank you. So, okay, we will move to the next worksheet. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, are you able to recollect the usage of a and an? Are you able to recollect that?
ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Let me share the screen once again. I request everybody to mute their devices. Malavika, please mute your device, dear. Okay. While the screen is getting loaded, I request everybody to take page number 30. 3030. 3030. Page number 30. 3030. Okay. Worksheet 9. This and that. Worksheet 9. This and that. That is very simple, right? Yes. When we speak about one thing that is very close to us or near us, which word do we use? This or that? Let me ask. Rehan, unmute. Rehan, unmute. Rehan, unmute. Yeah. Say, when we speak about one thing that is very close to us or near us, which word do we use? This or that? Sorry? This. Yes. Very good. Thank you. One thing close to us, we use the word this. Okay, good job, Rehan. Thank you. Hayan, unmute. Try the second one. One thing which is far from us. Which word do we use to speak about that word? About the word? Hayan, unmute. That, yes. When there is one thing which is far from us, we use the word that. Okay. So here, this car means the car which is near us. And that car means the car which is far from us. Do you remember the usage of this and that? Yes? That is a very simple exercise. Yes, still we will do one or two. Krishna Priya, unmute. Tell me the first one, this or that. Unmute, my dear. Unmute. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the first one. First one.
Dash is a car.
Yes, this or that.
That is a car.
Yes, very good. That is a car. Okay. Then Dhruva, unmute. Thank you, Krishna Priya. Try the second one. The girl is sitting near a hen.
This is a hen.
Yes, this is a hen. Okay, very good. This is a very simple exercise. Everybody is clear with it. Yes? When there is one thing which is very close or near to us, we use the word this. And when there is one thing which is far from us, we use the word that. Okay? Good girl, Dhruva. Thank you. Now we will move ahead with the 10th worksheet, number 10. Worksheet number 10, singular and plural. Singular and plural. What do we understand by the term singular? Plural, yes. Singular means when there is only one noun, we say that it is singular. When there is only one noun, we say that it is singular. And when there are more than one noun, we say that it is plural. When there are more than one noun, we say that it is plural. Plural, okay? For example, 1 cup, 2 cups. 1 cup, 2 cups. 1 apple, 3 apples. 1 apple, 3 apples. 1 doll, 4 dolls. 1 doll, 4 dolls. Okay. Now, there are two ways of making the plural words. First rule is to add S. First rule is to add S. Okay. Cow, cows. Cow, cows. The first word is cow. To make it a plural, we will add the letter S to it. C-O-W-S, cows. C-O-W-S. Okay, that is one rule to make plural. Then let us see another example. Tiger, tigers. Tigers. Page number 32. I said worksheet number 10. Page number 32. Okay. The first rule to make plural is to add S and make plural. Add S at the end of the word and make plural. Then there is another rule. What is the other rule? The other rule is to add ES. ES, but we can add ES only to some specific nouns. Which are they? Who can tell me that rule? Who can tell me that rule? To which nouns are we allowed to add ES? Who can tell me that rule? Raise your hands. Yes, Adinath, unmute. We can add ES to the end of, say, which nouns?
CH.
No, one more is there, no? X is there, no, my dear? X. Yes. X,
O.
CH,
O.
O, then S,
S.
then SH.
SH.
Yes. Say it once again. Say it once again. We can add ES. Add ES. Abhinav, sit properly. Put your hands down.
S.
Yes. Okay. We can add ES to some nouns which end with X, CH, S, SH or O and make their plural forms. Yes. Okay. So let us see a few examples. I'll go to the next page. See. Fox. X is the last letter, so we can add ES. Foxes. Foxes. Then dress. DRESS. S is the last letter, so we are allowed to add ES and make plural. Dresses. Then circus. CIRCUSES. Circuses. S is the last letter. Then mango. O is the last letter. So we are allowed to add ES. Mangoes. Mangoes. Okay. So this is possible. ES, adding ES is possible only if the noun ends with X, CH, S, SH or O. Keep that rule in mind. That is very important. We can add ES only to those nouns which end with X, CH, S, SH or O and make the plural forms. Clear? Now let me ask you a few examples more. Junaid, unmute. See, BUSH. SH is the last two letters. SH. So what should I add? S or ES?
One more time.
Yes, sure. BUSH, bush. SH are the last two letters. So what should I add? S or ES to make plural?
ES.
Yes, very good. So the plural will be BUSHES. Okay, well done. Thank you. Abhinav, unmute. Try. TOOL. L is the last letter. So what should I add? S or ES to make plural?
S.
S. Very good. So what will be the spelling? TOOLS.
O.
LS. Okay, thank you. Ritvik, unmute. Try number 8. SOFA. A is the last letter.
S.
S, yes. S-O-F-A-S. So fast. Okay. Then one more I'll try. Aarti, unmute. Tomato. Number 3. Tomato. O is the last letter. What should I add? S or ES to make plural?
Tomatoes.
Spelling, please.
T-O-M-A.
Hmm? Hmm? Hmm. T-O. Then what should I add? S or ES? O is the last letter. What should I add to make plural? S or ES?
Yes.
ES, yes. Because O is the last letter of the word. So we are allowed to add ES to make plural. Aarti, are you able to remember that rule now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Mohammad Rishan, try one more. P-O-T, number 4. P-O-T, pot. What should I add? S or ES?
Ma'am, I cannot hear.
You cannot hear. Okay, I'll try somewhere else. Tirtha Jolly, unmute. Try P-O-T, pot.
S. S.
S-S. Okay, fine. I think Rishan answered, right? Okay, fine. P-O-T-S, pots. Okay, let me stop sharing. I hope we have been able to revise worksheets 8, 9, and 10. Yes? Prepare well and all the best for the exam. Okay. Thank you very much. With this, we have come to the end of today's session. See you on Wednesday. Thank you. Bye.